Hi, my name is Jeff Cielo, and I own a martial arts business here in Virginia Beach. And as a professional, because I've been teaching for 28 years, I always look for the best in the business. I had started looking for my CCW, and I just happened to run into Hank and his team. They were very welcoming, and what I did is I said, well, let me sign up for his online course. If you haven't taken his online course, you definitely have to take his online course. And me being military, prior military, I've had this type of training before. And when I say it has a lot of information, it has a ton of information. So I walked away with that component feeling, wow, if there's anything more that I can get right now, let me go ahead and see what he's got. And he had this 2-day course. This 2-day course with ISP was incredible. I mean, we got a chance to go ahead and go over everything that he went over in the online course and more. So he went from regular target shooting to concealed carry to inside and outside of cars through different scenarios and making us feel what it would be like to be in the situation. And from my understanding of it is he is known for being able to put you in the situation before it happens. Coming into this course, I wasn't sure if I was going to be running into a bunch of people that were really high level. In fact, that was kind of my intent, learn from somebody much higher along the food chain. Well, I'll tell you what, there were from beginners that have never shot all the way to people that have shot for years. And Hank and his team did an awesome job of addressing each and every one of them. They delivered more than enough value. They made each and every member feel welcome, and they made sure that you knew exactly what you needed to do to be safe. A lot of times people are very intimidated by a gun, and when you pick it up, you're like, oh no. But they made you realize that you were supposed to own that and it's supposed to be part of you. Each and every one of the groups had people that were new and people that were very seasoned using the weapon, and I'll tell you what, everybody was helpful. Hank and his team make sure that they engender that team spirit. So when you guys come in, you feel welcome. Any of you guys that are completely brand new to using a gun or using a pistol, this course is definitely for you guys. Hank and his team give you great information as far as being able to be in that mindset of knowing what to do when something does go wrong. Not only does he do that, but he makes it in a fun, entertaining environment. And of course, it's safe. They brought Special Forces guys up. Their whole team is awesome. I've got nothing but good things to say. So if you have your CCW or you're looking to get it, this is the way to do it, because they put you in the situation and they get your mindset right. So sign up right now for that course, because this comes highly recommended.